Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Arial'Monique. I want to thank everybody for coming to my channel. This is my first YouTube video ever. And please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn the bells on to get all the notifications when I upload videos. And yeah, stay tuned to see how I got this look. Simple beat. As y'all already know, I am about to style my lace closure. All my wigs, they have a band in it to make it tight, and I always use the spandex cap so it can fit snug tight. Pull it back, of course. You don't want your wig sitting on top of your forehead looking crazy, because yeah, the internet is cruel and they will talk about you. So I'm gonna stand up and let y'all see the wig. This is the natural pattern. I just washed this wig. But yeah, here's the wig. This is the natural pattern of it. Yep. Okay, so what I'm gonna do also to make sure my wig doesn't go anywhere on these hot days, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Got2b glue right under my closure. Yeah, just a little bit like that. Slide the wig back. So I'm gonna take this blow dryer, I'm gonna put it on low, and I do use the cool setting. It seems like it make it dry a little faster, make it a little tacky quicker. However, I do not recommend for anyone to get the Got2b glue in the yellow pack, the yellow container. That one definitely dries. It turns white. There it is. A lot of people, when I first started using that, people were saying the white one. I bought that. And just know I was upset, was not impressed. It turned white and it was just a complete hot mess. I usually use the can spray, but I am currently out. I have to get some tomorrow while I'm at work from Kroger, which they sell that stuff at Kroger, Walgreens, Walmart. And if y'all wondering why I'm using my nails, because it just works better to me. I have no idea where my rat tail comb is, and my nails can get the job done.
Just by me pressing, I'm pretty much pressing the stuff into the hair, so, you know, stick it on it. That way.
Again, you don't have to use cool, that's just my personal preference.
You know, so it takes a while. It takes me a long time to put it on my hair. Long, long, long. Because it was so hot. It's super hot.
Wide tooth comb. I'm gonna show y'all what my makeup took, because I'm gonna do my makeup, and yeah, so y'all can see what products I use, what products I like, what products I don't like. I'm very picky. My wig is on good. You can see my part. This is a closure. People be thinking that I have on the frontal just by the way that it looked, and I would rather my closure lay flat. Anyways, these are the flat iron / curling wand that I use. They are titanium tools, and I got these from TJ Maxx. My mom got me these, and I love these. Like, they get your hair bone straight. So I'm gonna take this, take a piece of the hair, because I don't want no flyaways on top of my head. So take these, grab it, and you hold that back piece and slide it down. I'm not gonna slide all the way down because I'm not going for a straight look. I just want the top of my hair to be nice and flat and not, you know, real wavy like the rest of it. That'd be the look I'm going for. So you see the difference. I'm gonna do this side next. I don't want to talk y'all ears off though. Like as I said before, this is my first video. I am excited. I wish I could jam my tunes. But don't go all the, I'm not going all the way down. If y'all hear that little noise in the background, that is my air conditioner. Take a brush. That's the regular brush. Brush the top out. I have a dog and he's coming in here right now. His name is Diesel. Ugh, getting heavy. This is Diesel. Say hi, Diesel. My dog got pretty eyes, y'all. Also, my eyebrows. I need them done. They are terrible. I really don't have any, but you can see how I got those hairs in there. But I'll make it do what it do. So for my eyebrows, I have tons of different brushes. This brush right here is from Bobbi Brown, and it's for the eyebrow. The dip brow that I use is from MAC Dip Brow, in the shade deep dark brunette. I had this for a long time. It lasted me for a long time. Okay. So I just take this, dip it in there, and I'm gonna go underneath my brow lightly. I probably should have had my pencil since my eyebrows aren't done. Would have made it a little easier. Yeah, this eyebrow dip, I love this. It's like the only kind I use. I know a lot of people use the what is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's cool too. I like that one too, but maybe I'll get that one again after I run out of this one. But either or, those are my favorite ones though. What concealer do I use for my eyebrows? The same kind everybody else uses from the beauty supply stuff. Boom, this. But I use this, or I use this Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. Love this concealer. This is the brush I'm going to use to put the concealer on to do my eyebrows with. I don't know the proper names for all this stuff either, so like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. And then you're just going to go right up underneath. And I'm gonna go on top, just right here on the end. I don't go all the way up there to the front of the eyebrow. I don't feel like it's necessary. And I don't want them to look real fake and boxy looking. I think that's where people go wrong. They be putting it all the way down there and making it all black right there. Keep that part kind of open so you can blend it in. Blend that out. Take any brush. That's just me. Listen, I don't know the technical terms for all of this stuff. I just know what works for me. This is just a regular brush that I stole from my sister. Whatever I can find, I'm gonna use this. Like I said, I'm gonna take this brush and kind of blend in the front of my eyebrow, the dip brow. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little beauty blender, blend that out. Okay, the foundation that I use is the Maybelline Fit Collection. You can find this anywhere, any drugstore, anywhere, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, anywhere you want to look, it's there. And it's not expensive. I think it's probably like, I want to say like $6.99, $7.99, around that price range. Sometimes catch it on sale. But the shade that I'm using is 340 Cappuccino. Cappuccino. No, but for real, Cappuccino. I'm using this beauty blender. Got it from Walgreens. I need to actually clean them. I'm gonna do that tonight.
Apply this everywhere. You don't literally have to apply it, because that's what the sponge does. It blends it out for you. Out. Your face.
I'm gonna take this brush and dip it on the foundation, and just to blend my concealer and over my eyes.
I'm definitely not putting on no eyelashes to go to work. Just around some people who wouldn't even notice, like, no, not gonna happen.
Make sure that your face matches your neck, ladies. I'm just gonna take this concealer and just put it lightly under the eye. Not too much. As I said before, I'm keeping it cute, keeping it light. But what's funny is usually when I say this, I'm gonna keep it cute, I'm not gonna do too much. When I got a lot of time on my hands, I end up doing the whole beat down, the whole shebang. Just for no reason. This one is in the shade Beauty Mark. Love this. Got this from Ulta Beauty. I don't know where else they sell it, but yeah, love this. I'm gonna apply this lightly because it's like a chocolate brown. This is like my everyday go-to. Oh. Love it. For the brown skin girls, you know, we gotta have something for us too. And next I will be using an eyeliner. I wish I could tell y'all the name of it, but again, it came in like a makeup bag that I'm subscribed to because I love makeup. But anyway, it's one of these type of pens, eyeliner. I love this though because it's easier for me to go up under my eye without my eyes watering up. So I'm gonna try to do this in the camera, which is very hard to do.
Well, at least for me.
But yeah, put that underneath the eye. I will go on top, but that looks better with lashes, and I'm not wearing lashes right now at the moment, so boom. I have the Fenty. Yeah, I got the Fenty matchstick, and I got it in the shade blonde. Had the Fenty collection drop. I love this. Like, I feel like this is gonna last me forever because I don't use it a lot. I know some people use it for everything. Rihanna be putting it on her lips, on her eyes. I use it as a highlighter. So I'm just gonna boom, 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 boom. A little light right there. Tip of the nose. Cheek. Alright. Less is more. You can still get that look without doing the whole look. Like, clearly I just did it. I'm gonna take this brush These don't have a name. I got them from TJ Maxx. It was a set of 3. It was a contour face brush collection. Sorry, guys. Blend that in. Like, this is stuff that this is the look that I go for, like, when I'm going to work or just going somewhere casual. This is like really everyday look, like. I just want to thank everybody for watching. This is my first YouTube video. Again, my name is Arial'Monique. Please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Help a sister out. Dang, that's all I ask. No, subscribe, comment. I will leave the products that I use below. And thank you.